Alright, what's up guys? Welcome to another generic YouTube tutorial on how to do stuff in After Effects. Well, today you're trying to learn how to mask text behind someone, right? You want to like do a cool little reveal like that, like so, right? So that's why you're here. Well, you know, I don't even know what I'm doing with this channel anymore, so I guess I'm making tutorial videos now. So it's tutorial Thursdays, I guess. But so to get started on this, well, what we're gonna do, I'm gonna show you on a new composition. So here we go. We got the guy right here. He's walking, no text, right? So what you gotta do, just create a new text layer. Boom, bada bing. You can type anything. For me, I don't know. Maybe I'll do something different for funsies. So I'll put. Cause why? Cause I am a fucking weeb. Okay, so let's bring that. Let's align that to the center, and I accidentally wrote too much. Okay, so your is in the middle or whatever you put in the middle. So boom, it's in front of the guy, you know, nothing's really happening. It's sitting on top of him. So how do you get this layer to kind of reveal as he walks by? Okay, so what we want to first do is you want to take your pen tool, right, and make sure that your text layer is selected. And let's just go all the way to when he passes it, like, let's say right here. And so what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna outline his back real quick. Boom, boom, bam. And so, you know, it is just a quick little mask that I made. It's not the best. I could go in and do it more thoroughly if I wanted to, but you know, for the sake of the video, I'll just do it really fast. And then, you know, if you want to make it look really good, then you know, you can spend hours, not hours, but just more time on there. So yeah, so then we let's see, we go all the way, or actually, before I do that, so what you're gonna do is basically you're gonna move this mask, and so it'll move basically from, you know, at the start, it'll move along beside him. You're actually gonna move this not by using positions with the text, that if you do that, the whole text would move. So we're not doing that actually. So what you're gonna do is go in your mask section and open that mask 1, and you're gonna animate. You're gonna click the stopwatch icon right here on mask path, and you're gonna animate it basically. So let's bring this guy all the way back. See right there, and make sure that you just have your normal selector selection tool on, and then so you're just gonna drag it all the way back. Right here. See how I did that as the text disappeared, and then boom, you see, wow, it's revealing, but it's, you know, really bad. So to do that, you know, just make sure that you have it on add, not subtract or anything. Just make sure you have the mode on add right here. If you do subtract, then it actually hides, which is the complete opposite. I mean, it's also really cool if you're trying to go for that, but we're doing add today. And just, you know, if you want to just go in and kind of just track it, see how it's starting to reveal before he's even really walked. So what we can do, since it's highlighted in blue, just drag it back, and then, you know, you just go in when you think it's like, oh, it's peaking too much or it's not going fast enough. You just drag it a little bit back, and so you just do this as thoroughly as you want. There we go. So if we just go look at that, already looking kind of decent, but just to make it a smidge better and to make it seem a lot more smoother, what you can do is just mask feather right here. What this will do is it will feather the edges. Let's just bring that up a little bit. And let's just play that real quick. Probably could go a little bit higher. Maybe like a 15. Let's try that. Yeah, looks not too bad. You can also move the these points individually to make it look even better. To kind of like, you know, conform to the edge of the person or whatever object that you're trying to mask reveal with. And so with that, you just gotta make sure that you see how these boxes are hollow. You just gotta make sure that they're hollow for you to move these individually. And I'm doing that by just selecting mask 1. If you have mask path on, it'll become solid, and then when you move it, it's the whole shape instead of individual keyframes. Like mask feather comes back on. Boom. So I'll just have mask path on. You know, you can really go in and do individual keyframes if you so feel like it. It's just gonna take a bit more time, but it'll definitely look nicer. And so right here, I'm just gonna drag it a little bit there, and boom. Yeah, it's not the best, but you kind of get the idea. And so yeah, looking pretty okay. Yeah, so just play with the settings more and more. You know, if you want to make it look better and do a better job than I did right here. But yeah, that was it. Just a quick little tutorial on how to mask reveal with an object or person. Yeah, go do your editing thing now that you know how to do this. All right, cool. So yeah, I guess that's it. Don't look at my other videos, they're pretty cringe. Okay, cool, bye.